Today we are going to discuss how to view bonus reports in Zimyo HRMS. Let's get started with the navigation. First, log in on your Zimyo HRMS portal using your login credentials. This will take you to your dashboard. Then go to the payroll module. Here you will see the reports option. Click on it. Now you see all the reports. Go to bonus report. In bonus report, you will configure the report on the basis of entity-wise, department-wise, designation-wise, location-wise, month-wise, report version-wise, or year-wise. And then download the report in Excel format and PDF format.